Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z6544A. Only 17,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crystal red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Very large trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. It's one of the largest trunks in its class. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 17,000 miles. This Impala has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring as well as forward collision alert, which is set by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Heated front seats. And lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 195 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size sedan. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon and the city average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6544A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.